Hi, Scorpios! Ayan. Ito yung card nyo. Ang card reading ng mga Scorpios. Oscar. Who is Oscar's wife? Okay. The thief. Oh. And the yellow angel trumpet. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ito yung nasisense ko, pero okay. Sasabihin ko na. Alam niyo yung pakiramdam na yung papasok kayo sa relationship. Sige, papasok lang naman sa relationship, pero parang board exam. Ang daming test, ang daming pagsubok. Alam mo yun, to a point na parang, ayoko na. Parang ganun. This time, hindi na siya ganun. Kung dati, ganun yung relationship nyo, yung lagi kayo pumapasok sa pagsubok, this time, it's different. It's going to be different. Okay? I want you to focus on that and appreciate that. Kasi mas may transparency na. Okay? Ito yung tipong papasok kayo sa examination pero may kodigo na kayo. Pasalamat na rin tayo sa mga past relationship or sa past failed na relationship. That being said, sa mga relationship na nabibuild nyo with other people, I'm going to correlate it with the money aspect for for this season. Ang masasabi ko is be careful sa mga get rich fast scheme. Alam niyo yun? Yung mga offer na ganun. Hindi para magpabuyo tayo sa ganun. There will be offers, there will be like opportunities coming for you guys, but I want you to have this full discernment. If you're going to spend money, wag ngayon. Okay? Wag ngayon. Tulad na sinasabi ko, papasok kayo sa exam na may kodigo na kayo, wag tayong engot-engot. Okay? May kodigo na nandyan na. So, wag nating i-disregard yung kodigo. Okay? And I know naman you guys are smarter. You guys are really, really smart. Pero I don't want you. Confusion is not an option or it's not a quality or as a situation that you want to manifest in your life right now. Okay? So, yeah. Keep winning, Scorpios.